हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका एक बार फिर से हमारे इस वीडियो में। दोस्तों, हमने कल मध्य प्रदेश सिविल जज के पुराने क्वेश्चन पेपर में से 2016 का एक पार्ट बनाया था। आज हम 2016 के क्वेश्चन पेपर में से ही दूसरा पार्ट लेके आ रहे हैं। जो क्वेश्चंस बच गए थे आज हम उनको सॉल्व करेंगे। तो दोस्तों, आइए शुरू करते हैं हम अपना आज का सेशन।
Now the question number 41. According to section 57 of MP LRC, where a dispute arises between the state government and any person in respect of any right under the subsection 1, such dispute shall be decided by the, your options are A, subdivisional officer, B, collector, C, civil court, D, state government. The correct answer is the D, state government. Question number 42. According to MP LRC, who is not a revenue officer? Your options are A, Naib Tahsildar, B, revenue inspector, C, settlement officer, and D, assistant superintendent land record. The correct answer is the B, revenue inspector. Now the question number 43 from the Indian Evidence Act. Under Indian Evidence Act 1872, which among the following does not come under the category of privileged communication? Your options are A, communication made during marriage, B, communication made by a witness who is unable to communicate verbally, and C, official communication, and D, professional communication. The right answer of this question is the B, communication made by a witness who is unable to communicate verbally. Now the question number 44. Which section of the Evidence Act principle of the res gestae is enshrined? Your options are A, section 6, section 7, section 8, and section 9. The correct answer is the A, section 6. What is not a primary evidence? Your options are A, document made by printing, B, document made by lithography, C, document made by photography, and D, document copies of common original. The correct answer is the D, document copies of common origin. Question number 46. A agrees absolutely in writing to pay B rate 1000 on the 1st March 2010. The fact that at the same time an oral agreement was made that the money should not be paid till the 31st March cannot be proved. B, A sells B a horse and verbally warrant him sound. A gives B a paper in these words, bought of A. A horse of a 500. B may prove the verbal warranty. Now your options are A is incorrect, B correct, option B incorrect, A correct, option C both correct, and option D both incorrect. The right answer of this question is both correct. Both are the correct statement given above. Now the question number 47. Under section 45 of Evidence Act, opinion of expert witness is. Your options are A, conclusive proof, B is not relevant, C is not admissible, D is not a conclusive proof. The correct answer of the D, the correct answer is the D, is not a conclusive proof. Now the question number 48. Presumption as to the electronic agreement is provided in section dash of Evidence Act. Options A 85, B 85A, C 85B, and D 85C. The correct answer is the B 85A. Question number 49. A dying declaration under section 32 of Indian Evidence Act is admissible in evidence. Your options are only when it is reduced in writing. B. Even when it is made to police officer. C. Only when it is made to a judicial magistrate. And D. Only when it is made to executive magistrate. The correct answer is the B. Even when it is made to a police officer. Now the question number 50. A is charged with travelling on railway without ticket. Under the Indian Evidence Act, the burden of proving that he had a ticket is on A. Prosecution, B. Accused, C. Complainant, and D. Prosecution witness. The correct answer is the accused. Now the question number 51. Under the Evidence Act, the statement of hostile witness A is relevant, B can be acted upon, C cannot be acted upon, and D has no evidentiary value. The correct answer is the B can be acted upon. Now the question number 52. Confession of one accused is admissible in evidence against co-accused. Options are if they are tried jointly for the same offense, B if they are tried jointly for the different offense, if they are tried for the same offense but not jointly, and D if they are tried for the different offense and also not jointly. The correct answer of the 52 is A if they are tried jointly for the same offense.
Now the questions from the Indian Penal Code. Question number 53. Under section 230 of the Indian Penal Code, which of the following is not or has not been a coin? Options are A. The coin denominated as the company's rupee, B. The Farokhabad rupee, C. A metal used for the time being as money and stamped and issued by the authority of the some state or sovereign power, and D. Lumps of unstamped metal used as money. The correct answer is the D. Lumps of unstamped metal used as money. Now the question number 54. Under the Indian Penal Code, which of the following amounts to defamation? Your options are A. To convey a caution intended for good of person to whom conveyed or for public good. B. To make an imputation concerning a company or an association or collection of person as such. C. Censure passed in good faith by a person having lawful authority over others. And D. Publication of reports of proceeding of court. The correct answer of this question is B. To make an imputation concerning a company or an association for collection of person as such. Now the question number 53. A without any excuse fires a loaded cannon into a crowd of persons and kills one of them. Although he may not have had permitted design to kill any particular individual, A committed offence of. Your options are A. Section 299 IPC, B. Section 300 IPC, C. Section 304 IPC, and D. Section 304A IPC. The correct answer is B. Section 300 IPC. Now the question number 56. After Crime Law Amendment 2013 to the Indian Penal Code, the offence of gang rape is punishable under Section 376 2G, B 376B, C 376C, and D 376D. The correct answer is the option D 376D. Now the question number 57. Removal of ornaments dishonestly from the body of the deceased person is A. Robbery under Section 392 IPC, theft under 378 IPC, an offence under Section 404 IPC, an offence under Section 416 IPC. The correct answer is the C. An offence under Section 404 IPC.
Now the question number 58. Section 511 of the Indian Penal Code will applies to A. Attempt to commit murder, attempt to commit suicide, attempt to commit theft, attempt to commit robbery. The correct answer is the C. Attempt to commit theft. 59. Under IPC, which of the statement represents the correct position of law? To constitute abatement, it is A. necessary that the act abated must be committed. B. not necessary that the act abated must be committed. C. necessary that the person abated must have the same intention or knowledge as that of the abater. And D. none of these. The right answer is B. not necessary that the act abated must be committed. Now question number 60. In IPC, A cuts down a tree on B's land with the intention of dishonestly taking the tree out of B's possession without B's consent. Which offense is committed by A? A. robbery, B. criminal breach of trust, C. extortion, and D. theft. The correct answer is the D. theft. Now the question number 61. Under IPC, a married man commits adultery if he has intercourse with an unmarried woman, B. married woman other than his wife, C. any woman except his wife, and D. unmarried woman without her consent. The correct answer is the B. married woman other than his wife. Now the question number 62. Indian Penal Code, a person A. 62. A prepares a mark sheet with an intention to get a job. Thereby he committed the offense of A. mischief, B. cheating, C. forgery, and D. falsification. The correct answer of this question is the C. forgery. Now the question from the Criminal Procedure Code. Question number 63. Under CRPC, the maximum term of imprisonment awardable in summary trial is A. 1 month, B. 3 months, C. 6 months, and D. 1 year. The correct answer is the B. 3 months. Now the question number 64. Under Criminal Procedure Code, which irregularity vitiate the proceeding and shall be void if any magistrate not being empowered by law? A. demand security to keep peace, B. issue a search warrant under section 94 CRPC, C. hold an inquest under section 176, D. sell property under section 458 or section 459 CRPC. The correct answer is the A. demand security for keeping peace. Now the question number 65. Under CRPC, the period of limitation for taking cognizance of any offence shall be 3 years. Your options are A. if the offence is punishable with imprisonment for a term exceeding 1 year but not exceeding 3 years, B. if the offence is punishable with imprisonment for a term exceeding 3 years but not exceeding 7 years, C. if the offence is punishable with imprisonment for a term exceeding 1 year but not exceeding 10 years, and D. if the offence is punishable with imprisonment for a term not exceeding 1 year. The correct answer is the A. if the offence is punishable with imprisonment for a term exceeding 1 year but not exceeding 3 years. Now the question number 66. In MP, offence under section 317 and 318 of IBC is triable by which court? Your options are A. Judicial Magistrate First Class, B. Chief Judicial Magistrate, C. Court of Session, and D. Chief Metropolitan Magistrate. The right answer is the C. the Court of Session. Now the 67. Who among the following is entitled to claim maintenance under section 125? Your options are A. wife living in adultery, B. major married daughter who cannot maintain herself, C. both husband and wife living separately by mutual consent, and D. all of these. The correct answer of this question is D. all of these. All the persons are able to get maintenance under section 125. Now the question number 68. Who can trial court? Question number 68. When can a trial court release an accused on the bail under section 389(3) of CRPC after conviction? Options are A. When accused is on bail and imprisonment is not exceeding 3 years. B. When accused is on bail and imprisonment is not exceeding 5 years. C. When accused is on bail and imprisonment is not exceeding 4 years. D. When accused is on bail and imprisonment not exceeding 3 years. The correct answer is the A. When accused is on bail and imprisonment not exceeding 3 years. Now the question number 69. An application filed under section 257 of Criminal Procedure Code is allowed, so the accused will be released, B. discharged, C. convicted, and D. acquitted. Correct answer is the D. acquitted. Now the question number 70. Who can withdraw the case from the prosecution under section 321 CRPC? The state government. B. The public prosecutor in charge of the case with the permission of the court. D. Public prosecutor of the case even without permission of the court. D. District magistrate. So the correct answer is the B. Public prosecutor in charge of a case with the permission of the court. Now the question number 71. Can a person discharged under section 258 CRPC to be tried again for the same offence? No, he cannot be tried. B. He can be tried with the consent of the court by which he was discharged. C. No, since the principle of the double jeopardy would be applicable. And D. Yes, by the consent of the state government. The correct answer is the B. He can be tried with the consent of the court. Now the question number 72. An executive magistrate is empowered to grant remand under section 167 CRPC for maximum period of 15 days, 7 days, 60 days and 90 days. The correct answer is again B. 7 days. Now the question from the Negotiable Instrument Act. Question number 73. Offence under the Negotiable Instrument Act are triable by A. Session Judge, B. Judicial Magistrate First Class, C. Executive Magistrate, and D. Judicial Magistrate Second Class. The correct answer is the B. Judicial Magistrate First Class. Question number 74. Offence under Negotiable Instrument Act are A. Cognizable and compoundable, B. Non-cognizable and non-compoundable, C. Cognizable and non-compoundable, and D. Non-cognizable and non-compoundable. The correct answer is the B. Again, the non-cognizable. Correct answer is again B. Non-cognizable and compoundable. Now the question number 75. Which section provides that the offence under the Negotiable Instrument Act are compoundable? Section 137, Section 141, Section 147 and Section 149. So friends, correct answer is the C. Section 147. Friends, we are now covering the topics from the general awareness, computer and English. So friends, let us know that how was this video. Please give us your comment, please share this video, and please subscribe our channel for the further video updates related to civil judge or any other competitive exams. Thank you very much for watching this video. Jai Hind.